Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we shall learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of mixed fractions. So all these are mixed fractions. So before solving these mixed fractions we must know different types of fractions. The different types of fractions, first one is proper fraction, one is improper fraction and third one is mixed fractions. So proper fractions are those fractions where the numerator is less than the denominator. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. Then only we can say it is a proper fractions. So 1 upon 2 is a proper fraction, then 9 upon 10, then 5 upon 8. All these are example of proper fractions. In improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So numerator should be bigger than the denominator. So 3 upon 2, 12 upon 7, 18 upon 5, 5 upon 4. These all are example of improper fractions. Next one is mixed fractions. In a mixed fraction, it consists of whole number and a proper fraction. So these are the examples. So 2 is a whole number and this 1 upon 2 is a proper fractions. It contains both whole number as well as proper fractions. Next, you must know how to convert improper fraction to mixed fractions. 17 upon 4 is a improper fractions and you must know how to convert this into mixed fractions. Let me do here. So 17 upon 4. So you have to divide this. 17 divided by 4. So only one time you have to divide. 4 4s are 16. So 16 minus 7 is 1. So this 4 is a quotient. This 1 is a remainder. And this 4 is a divisor. This 17 is a dividend. I need only these three words: quotient, remainder and divisor. So here quotient is 4, here remainder is 1 and divisor is 4. So how to write this here? Write the quotient multiply by remainder divide by divisor. So after doing the division, we got the quotient as 4. So this 4 you have to write here. Then remainder we got 1. This you have to write here. Divide by divisor is what? 4. So this is the mixed fractions. It was proper fraction. Sorry, this is improper fraction. And I have done the conversion of improper to mixed fractions. This is 4 into 1 upon 4 is a mixed fraction. So how to convert? Only one time you have to do the division. Let me take the second example, that is 11 upon 3. Let us divide this number 11 upon 3. So 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So here quotient is 3. So that 3 you have to write here. And remainder is 2. And divisor is 3. If you multiply this 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 11 upon 3. So you will get the answer 11 upon 3. So this is how you must know how to convert improper fraction to mixed fractions. Next, you must know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 into 3 upon 4 is a mixed fraction. So how to convert this? First you have to multiply this 2 into 4. 2 multiplied by 4. Then which operation you have to write? Plus. And this 3 number you have to write. Then divide by 4. You have to multiply this 2 into 4 is 8. Then this is plus 3 divided by 4. 8 plus 3 is how much? 11 divided by 4. So this is the improper fraction. I have done the conversion from mixed fraction to improper fraction. In short, I have written IF, improper fraction, and this is MF, mixed fractions. So this is called conversion. Let me take the second example. So second example is what? 7 into 1/9. So how to convert this now? You have to write here 7 multiplied by 9, then plus operation you have to write, and this is 1 divided by this 9 you have to write here. Then you have to do the multiplication of this. 7 into 9 is 63 plus 1 divided by 9. So 63 plus 1 is 64/9. So this is improper fraction, and this is mixed fraction. So this is called conversion from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now let us solve first addition of mixed fraction. The two mixed fractions, 1 into 3/5 and 2 into 1/2. First you must know how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So let me do the first here conversion. So mixed fraction is what? 1 into 3/5. So how to do the conversion here? You have to multiply this 1 into 5 plus 3 divided by this 5 you have to write. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 3 divided by 5. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8/, and this is 5. So first we got the improper fraction as 8/5 of this mixed fraction, 1 into 3/5. So this you have to write here 8/5. Then this is the plus operation you have to write here. Now you have to do the conversion for this 2 into 1/2. Let me write here 2 into 1/2. So 2 into 2 plus this is 1 divided by 2. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. This is plus 1 divided by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5/2. So this is improper fraction of this mixed fraction. So this you have to write here 5/2. So next step, what you have to do? You have to see the denominator. If denominator is different, then what you have to do? You have to find out the LCM. If denominator is same, then no need to find out the LCM. There are two methods to find out the LCM. One method is that is shortcut method, and one more method is there. First, let me find out with the shortcut method. So how to find out the LCM of this 5 and 2 by shortcut method? So first you have to see the highest number in between 5 and 2. So what is the highest number here? 5. That 5 you have to write here, and then you have to see this next number 2. It is divisible or not, you have to see. If it 5/2 is not divisible, so therefore what you have to do? What is the highest number here? 5. You have to multiply with 2. 5 2s are 10. So now you have to see this 10 is divisible by 2 or not. So 10/2 is 5. It is divisible. So therefore you have to take the highest number as 10. So 10 is the LCM of 5 and 2. So this is the shortcut method to find out the LCM of any given numbers. So this is the second method. So you have to divide by the first least prime number. What is the least prime number here? 2. So 2 ones are 2, and this is not divisible, therefore 5 you have to write as it is. Next you have to take 5. 5 ones are 5. So now you have to multiply this 2 into 5. 2 into 5. So answer is 10. So LCM is 10 of 5 and 2. Now next step, what you have to do? You have to add this. So before adding, no, you must make the denominator as 10. So why you have to make the denominator as 10? Because we got the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So how will make this denominator as 10? So this is already 5, it is given, no. Which number you have to multiply? 2. So denominator we got 10 here. Now here also, to get the denominator as 10, this number 2 you have to write as it is, and you have to multiply with 5. Now we got the both denominator is 10. So this denominator you have to write here. This is 10 and this is 10, and this is plus operation you have to write here. Now we have to find out the numerator. So how to find out the numerator here? It is given already 8 here, no. So 8 multiplied by which number you have to multiply? These 2. Whatever number you are writing here, no, same number you have to multiply here. So 8 2s are 16. So this 16 you have to write here. Same here also, to get the numerator, so 5 you have to write as it is, whatever number is available here, no, that same number you have to write here. Now which number you have to multiply? This number 5. 5 into 5 is how much? 25. Now these are like fraction. Why these are like fraction? Because denominator are same. Now you can do the addition of this 10 you have to write as it is, and this 16 plus 25 you have to add 16 plus 25. So 16 plus 25 is how much? 21 divided by 10. Now this is a improper fraction. Why this is the improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Now you have to do the conversion of this improper fraction to mixed fractions. How to do the conversion of this improper fraction to mixed fraction? You have to do the division here. So 41 divided by 10. So 10 fours are 40. If you subtract this 41 minus 40, how much you will get? 1. So this is quotient. Let me write in Q, and this is remainder, and this is divisor. So how to write here? You have to write quotient, then remainder divided by divisor. What is the quotient we got here? 4. So 4 you have to write here, and then remainder we got 1, and divisor is 10. If you multiply this note, 10 into 4, 40. 40 plus 1 is 41 divided by 10. So this is the answer for this. Let me do one more addition of mixed fractions. So these are the two fractions, 1 into 1 upon 3 and 3 into 2 upon 3. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fractions. So how to convert this? Do the conversion here. 1 into 1 upon 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 1 into 3 is how much? 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So answer is 4 upon 3. So we got the improper fraction now. So this improper fraction you have to write here. 4 divided by 3. Then plus operation you have to write. Now you have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So let me write this mixed fraction here. 3 into 2 divided by 3. So 3 into 3, then plus operation, always you have to write here plus operation, and this is 2 you have to write here, divided by this 3 you have to write here. So 3 3s are 9, and this is plus 2 divided by 3. 9 plus 2 is how much? 11 divided by 3. Now this is a improper fraction of this mixed fraction. So I have done the conversion here like this. This 11 upon 3 you have to write here. Now what you have to see? You have to see the denominator. If denominator are same, then no need to find out the LCM of this 4 upon 3 and 11 upon 3. If it is denominator is different, then you have to find out the LCM always. Keep this point in mind. So now what you have to do? You have to directly add this by writing this 3 here at denominator place, and this you have to do the addition. 4 plus 11. So 4 plus 11 is how much? 15 divided by 3. So if we divide this 15 upon 3, how much you will get? 5. Now let us solve the second one, that is subtraction of mixed fraction. So these are the two mixed fraction given here, 2 into 1 upon 3 and 1 into 2 upon 3. So first what you have to do? You have to do the conversion of this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So how to do the conversion here? 2 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 divided by 3. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7 upon, and this is 3. So first we got the improper fraction of this 2 into 1 upon 3. So this 7 upon 3 improper fraction you have to write here now. 7 upon 3. Then minus sign you have to write here. Now you have to do the conversion of this 1 into 2 upon 3. Let me write here this mixed fraction here. 1 into 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3, and then plus operation you have to write is 2 divided by 3. So 1 into 3 is how much? 3. Then this is plus 2 divided by 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 3. So this improper fraction you have to write here now, 5 upon 3. So now what you have to see? You have to see the denominator. Here the denominator are same, therefore this is like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because same denominator. If the denominator is same, then no need to find out the LCM of this fraction. So you have to write directly 3 here, and now you have to do the subtraction of this 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is how much? 2 divided by 3. This is the final answer for this question. So let's do the second subtraction of mixed fraction. So these are the two mixed fraction given here, 3 into 2 upon 3 and 1 into 2 upon 3. So first you have to do the conversion of this mixed fraction to improper fractions. Let me write this mixed fraction here, 3 into 2 upon 3. So 3 into 3, this is plus operation you have to write, then plus 2 divided by 3. So 3 into 3 is how much? 9 plus 2 divided by 3. So 9 plus 2 is how much? 11 divided by 3. So we got the improper fraction of this mixed fraction, 3 into 2 upon 3. This improper fraction 11 upon 3 you have to write here now, 11 upon 3, and then minus sign you have to write. Now you have to do the conversion of this mixed fraction, 1 into 2 upon 3 to proper fraction. Write this mixed fraction here, 1 into 2 upon 3. So 1 into 3 plus 2 divided by this 3 you have to write here. So 1 into 3 is how much? 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5 divided by 3. So now we got the improper fraction as 5 upon 3. This 5 upon 3 you have to write here. So now you have to compare the denominator here. Here the denominator are same, so therefore these are like fractions. If it is denominator are same, no, that time no need to find out the LCM. Directly this denominator you have to write here. Only one time you have to write here, and now you have to do the subtraction of this numerator. 11 minus 5. So 11 minus 5 is how much? 6 upon 3. So final answer is 2. Now let us solve the third one, that is multiplication of mixed fraction. So these are the two mixed fractions, 2 into 1 upon 3 and 5 into 2 upon 5. So first what you have to do, you have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So how to convert this? You have to write the first this mixed fraction here, 2 into 1 upon 3, then 2 into 1, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 divided by 3. So 7 upon 3 is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction. So this 7 upon 3 you have to write here. Then multiplication sign. So 5 into 5 plus 2 divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25 plus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 25 plus 2 is how much? 27 divided by 5. So this 27.5 is a improper fraction. This improper fraction you have to write here, 27 upon 5. Now we have done the conversion here from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now you have to see whether cross cancellation can be done or not. So this 3 9s are 27. We can do the cross cancellation. If it is not able to do the cross cancellation, no, that time you have to directly multiply this 7 into 27, then 3 into 5. But here cross cancellation is possible, so that's why I have done the cross cancellation here. And here you have to write 1. So this is not possible, 7 and 5. So therefore you have to keep this 7 and 5 as it is. Now what you have to do, 7 into 9 and this 1 into 5. So 7 into 9 is how much? 53 divided by 5. So this is improper fraction. Why? Now you have to convert this improper fraction to mixed fractions. So how we'll convert this? You have to do the division here. Let me do the division here. 63 divided by 5. So 5 12s are 60. If you subtract this, no, you'll get 3. So quotient is 12. Remainder is, let me write quotient, remainder and divisor. So quotient we got here 12 and remainder is how much? 3 and divisor is 5. So this is the final answer for this mixed fraction. 2 into 1 upon 3 into 5 into 2 upon 5. Now let us solve the second example. So second example is 1 into 2 upon 3 and 3 into 3 upon 5. So first you have to do the conversion of these mixed fractions into improper fraction. 1 into 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So 1 into 3 is how much? 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 upon 3. So this 5 upon 3 is a improper fraction. This improper fraction you have to write here now. 5 upon 3 and then multiplication operation you have to write. Now you have to do the conversion for this mixed fraction. 3 into 3 upon 5. 3 into 3 upon 5 is equal to multiply by 5 plus 3 divided by 5. So 3 into 5 is how much? 15 plus 3 divided by 5. 15 plus 3 is how much? 18 divided by 5. This is improper fraction of this mixed fraction, 3 into 3 upon 5. So this improper fraction now you have to write here 18 upon 5. Now next what you have to see, whether cross cancellation you can do or not. So this 5 and 5 you can do the cross cancellation. 5 ones are 5 and for this also 18 and 3. So 3 6 are 18. So next 1 divided by this is 1 multiplied by 6 upon 1. So 1 into 6 divided by 1 into 1. So 1 into 6 is how much? 6 divided by 1. So final answer is 6. Let us solve the last one, that is division of mixed fractions. So these are the two mixed fractions given here. So first you have to do the conversion of these mixed fractions. Let me do the conversion here. 5 into 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. So 5 into 5 is how much? 25 plus 3 divided by 5. So 25 plus 3 is how much? 28 divided by 5. So this is improper fraction of this mixed fraction, 28 upon 5. This 28 upon 5, now you have to write here 28 upon 5 and then you have to write the operation as division. Now you have to do the conversion. 2 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 2 into 3 is how much? 6 plus 1 divided by 3. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7 divided by 3. Right here 7 upon 3. For this division of 28 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 3, you have to write the first fraction as it is. So 28 upon 5 and this second fraction no, you have to reciprocate. So you have to write 3 divided by 7. Reverse you have to write and in between you have to write the multiplication sign. Then now you have to see whether cross cancellation can be done or not. So for this 28 and 7 no, we can do the cross cancellation. 7 fourths are 28. So this is 1. Then what remains here? 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 1. 4 into 3 divided by 5 into 1. So 4 3s are 12 and 5 into 1 is 5. So this is proper fraction. So now you have to convert this into mixed fractions. For this you have to do the division. 12 5. 5 2s are 10. If you subtract this no, you will get answer 2. So this is 2 is a quotient. Here 2 is a remainder and this 5 is a divisor. 2 into 1 5. So this is the final answer for this version. 5 into 3 upon 5 divided by 2 into 1 upon 3. The second 3 into 1 upon 8 and 2 into 3 upon 8. So first you have to convert this 3 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1 divided by 3. So 8 3s are 24 plus 1 divided by 3. So 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by is 8, not 3. 25 upon 8. So this is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction, 3 into 1 upon 8. So 25 upon 8 you have to write here now. 25 upon 8, and then you have to write the division operation, and now you have to convert this 2 into 3 upon 8. 2 into 3 divided by 8 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 3 divided by 8. So 2 into 8 is how much? 16 plus 3 divided by 8 is equal to 16 plus 3 is 19 upon 8. So this is improper fraction of this mixed fraction, 2 into 3 upon 8. So this 19 upon 8 you have to write here now, 19 upon 8. Next what you have to do, first fraction you have to write as it is. So 25 upon 8, and second fraction you have to reverse it, you have to reciprocate. So 19 upon 8 can be written as 8 upon 19, and in between you have to write the multiplication sign. You have to see whether you can do the cross cancellation or not. So 25 and 19, it is not possible for cross cancellation, so therefore you have to keep this 25 and 19 as it is. And for this 8 no, you can do the cross cancellation. 8 ones are 8. So next 25 divided by 1 multiply by 1 upon 19. So 25 into 1 is divided by 1 into 19. So answer is 25 upon 19. So this is improper fraction. So now you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So how to convert? You have to do the division of this 25 upon 19. 25 upon 19. So 19 ones are 19. If you subtract this, no, you will get the answer 6. So how will write here? Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. So quotient is 1, remainder is 6, and divisor is 19. So quotient you have to write 1, remainder is 6 divided by divisor is 19. So this is the final answer for this, 3 into 1 upon 8 divided by 2 into 3 upon 8. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel.